All right, so you got to open it. And it opens just fine. And then you can unlatch it and you're like, cool. Goes down and goes up. Then hard to do with one hand, but you get it back, you go to latch it, and it will not stay, no matter what you do. That is the enigma of relatching this thing. So the only way to get that to work is you have to unlatch the top for some strange reason. Once you do that, you crack it back a bit. It takes a lot of pressure off. And then you try again. It's not so easy. Still have some trouble sometimes. So I kind of just play with it for a little while. I'll just leave the... I recorded it, but the camera was at a bad angle, so I'm just going to do it one more time. So you can see the front is now unlatched, with a little slack in the roof in the top, and the window's down. I'm going to try to get the right angle to show you how to get this latched. Let's see. Just don't think I could do it with one hand is the issue. Okay, so I got it touching, as you can see. I'm pushing up with my hand. Nope. Okay, sorry. So you see that? It didn't work. It doesn't always work. That's the garage door closing. Sorry about that. So it doesn't always work. It just doesn't want to work. But try to push up really hard so that it's way up first. And it still doesn't want to work. It just wants to come right back down. This could be the most frustrating freaking thing. Alright, I'm going to just put the phone down. Hopefully it'll catch it this time. Last time it completely freaking missed it. I'm hoping it's going to work. So what I'm going to do, so look, we'll try one more time. So I'm pushing up really hard. And I put it in, and it just wants to pop right out, right? So even though I'm pushing up all the way, that time it worked. Jeez, see how complicated this is? The tension on this thing has to be just right. I open it, I close it. If you close it with one hand, nothing happens. It pops right back. If you close it with a second hand, and you just jam that thing up, way up, what has to happen is this piece has to actually, I think, be behind that tab there. Then, when it closes, it's, well, there you go. That time it stayed. Now, this seems precarious because, you know, looks like one false move and the thing will just fucking fall right back. Now, I'm going to latch the front. And hopefully it doesn't fall down. In my experience, once you get the front latched, it seems to stay somehow. And that's it. Now, I'm going to just tap on the window just to see. As you can see, it doesn't want to move. Even though it looked like it was just going to fall right off a second ago. Strange situation. Anyway, that's how you do it. You just got to fiddle with it.